In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 Autoinvest. By the end, you'll know how to set up a pie, automate your deposits, and keep your portfolio on track with almost no ongoing effort. Autoinvest is Trading 212's tool for recurring, rules-based investing. You pick the investments you want inside a pie, set target percentages for each one, choose how much to contribute and how often, and the app does the rest. Each scheduled contribution is split according to your targets, and the system continuously nudges your holdings back toward those allocations over time. It's a simple way to stay consistent, which is key for long-term investing. Start by creating a pie. In the app, head to your portfolio and open pies, then create a new one. Add the stocks or ETFs you want to include. Use the sliders to set target allocations for each slice. For example, 40% in a single company and 60% in a broad market ETF. Think of these percentages as the blueprint the app will follow every time money goes in. If you prefer not to build from scratch, you can choose a ready-made pie and customize it later as you gain confidence. Next, turn on Autoinvest from the pie setup screen or the pie's settings. Set the amount you want to invest each time and choose your schedule: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Then pick how the funds will be supplied. You can use free funds from your account balance, or let the app charge a payment method like a card or a mobile wallet. Trades are typically executed on the scheduled day at around 0800 CET, as long as there are enough funds. Keep in mind that market conditions and instrument availability still apply. Now, decide how you'll fund those contributions. Using free funds is straightforward. Deposit money into your Trading 212 account whenever it suits you, and Autoinvest will draw from that balance on schedule. Alternatively, enable a recurring card or wallet charge so deposits happen automatically. Be aware that card deposits may incur fees after certain thresholds. A practical tip is to set a standing order from your bank to land in your Trading 212 account shortly before your Autoinvest date, so free funds are always ready. Finally, manage your plan as life changes. You can adjust the deposit amount, switch the frequency, pause and resume, or stop Autoinvest entirely. Just open your pie and visit the Autoinvest settings. Review your allocations periodically to ensure they still match your goals, and let the automation handle the rest.